तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
I remember when I went to Chitravi the first time and I met Uncle Prabhu. He was extremely very kind and a beautiful personality really. And I saw all the support that Chitravi got when she was teaching. Nobody disturbed her. And there was tremendous support and she was very much at peace and she could concentrate fully on teaching, and I really have such wonderful memories. Sometimes she would also ask me to join her for breakfast, and I still remember those idlis, and it was all very, very happy time for me. I mean, I couldn't have asked for more.
So Auntie, back when you were learning from her, do you have any particular compositions that you remember that she taught you?
Yes. Particularly one when she was teaching me Sri Nanda Nanda, there used to be a kavit.
Yeah. Look, what Shishmita Dishi has got.
Oh my God, yeah, I brought it with me.
Dance copy.
Yes, this is something, thank you Tulika, this is something I would like to show, and this is how Chitradi,
She's so articulate.
very articulate, eye for detail, and like she used to be so caring. In fact, she wrote it down for me. I really, really value and treasure this exercise book, which has been, as you can see, the color is faded, because this composition has been written by Chitradi. So much of personal effort, care, attention that has gone into not only teaching but making the student aware that every bit of composition has to be nurtured, nourished and polished if you want to carry on this tradition and really, really serve Kathak. See, this kavit is by Vidushi Maya Rao ji, and the music is by Pujniya Anil Biswas ji. This composition is very dear to my heart. I was in class 5 or 6 when I learned it from Chitradi. Maybe one or two movements could be a little different. My apologies. I just want to recite this and show you this little kavit, which is by Maya Rao ji and Anil Biswas ji had done the music. It's Nadi ke takati takadam madhuma kala nachata nachata takata radha dini ki dini takata taka ata ke briga te ate umanga jiji kata latata chira kata radha. Ek Tatta Tat Vidandan Jiji Kata, which I learned from Chitradi when I was in class 5 or 6. I just do this. Tatta Tat Vidandan Jiji Kata Jiji Kata the Taka Tuna Taka Jiji Kata Taka Tuna Taka Jiji Kata Taka Tuna
Namaskar, I'm Madhu Natraj, Kathak and contemporary dancer, choreographer and also an arts entrepreneur. It is indeed an honor and privilege to speak of both my gurus, Guru Srimati Maya Rao and Srimati Chitra Venugopal. Maya ji, Maya Didi, as she was called, as you know, was a pioneer of Kathak. She not only brought about a systematized training in Kathak way back in the 50s, but also is responsible for creating the repertoire from Vandana to Tarana as we know it today. An avid researcher, scholar, choreographer par excellence, and a guru who was really giving and generous, and a path-breaking artist. To have her in my life meant I picked up a lot through osmosis. Dance itself has been a womb memory for me. It is from her that I learned that one should own their dance and make it their own personal journey. Guru Srimati Chitra Venugopal also studied with Mayaji from Shambhu Maharaji and Sundar Prasadji, and travelled with Sri Venugopalji to various parts of India and then onward to England and to Cairo, where she never stopped teaching dance and staying in touch with dance. She came back and did her course again in choreography and continued teaching. Once a teacher, always a teacher. It is from Chitra Didi, or Chittu Pachi as we call her, because she's my aunt, my Masi. I learned the importance of Riyaz. She would be very strict with her, and I'm so thankful for that. Because of her that I have my stamina today, the ability to jump back into dance and practice. She made sure that all of us practiced with rigor, with dedication, with regularity. And she is a teacher who I hold very dear to my heart. The gift of Kathak, the gift of dance, and the gift of wonderful gurus is something I have gratitude for all my life. I continue to be their student today and always. Pranam.
Namaste. I am Nirupama.
I'm Rajendra.
We were Kathak students at Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography in 1987 to 95, and we have had some of the most beautiful experiences under great gurus. Today, to share few of our experiences about Guru Srimati Chitra Venugopal is a sheer joy.
Our dearest Chitra Didi.
Yes. She was such a loving teacher and at the same time a person who was committed to Kathak in its purest form. She respected tradition, and that's what she passed on to us with passion, sincerity, dedication and discipline.
Yeah. Students, any number of times they wanted to repeat a tukda or a dance sequence, she used to recite with same energy.
They say a Vidyarthi has to have a discipline and to be punctual and all that, but here is a guru, Chitra Didi. She would dress up nicely with beautiful silk sari and jewelry and be there half an hour before the student. And this is amazing. And we would all be like, wow, because she showed such kind of commitment to dance, and her training, she was very strict.
She was very strict in the class, but at the same time, when we go to her house, with lot of love, she used to feed delicious food.
Yes. Didi, we are so happy that so many of us, your students, have whatever little we could, take from the ocean of your knowledge. We have tried, and we are really very, very inspired by you. You're one guru. Chitra Didi is one guru that not only with her strictness and discipline, she was so appreciative of students. Even now, after so many years, she is so appreciative of her students. When we were learning as well as now. So this kind of encouragement combined with discipline and traditional learning is a rarity. And now Didi is being featured in this Guru program. We are so happy.
Yes.
We send our best wishes and pranams
to Chitra Didi.
Namaste. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. In our life, we had great gurus like Dr. Maya Rao and Srimati Chitra Venugopalji. These were the great personalities who brought, got and promoted Indian classical dance from Kathak in South India, and especially in Bangalore. Our institution, Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography, promoted Kathak and choreography in a very, very big scale. So many graduates, so many artists learned choreography and Kathak. The credit should go to our great gurus, Chitra Venugopal ji and respected Dr. Maya Rao ji. And it is so great honor that we worked with Chitra Didi, an exponent of Kathak, who learnt with the great legendary Shambhu Maharaj ji and other great gurus. And she was so great in teaching the youngsters and making them as professionals. So many dancers who learned Kathak at Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography and at Bharati Vidya Bhavan and under Chitra Venugopal ji have become professionals and wonderful Kathak dancers. Today we see this great legend who's been a great inspiration for all the youngsters who have taken up classical dance from Kathak in especially South India, and she is still promoting this great art and artists who want to take up seriously into this classical dance form. Our institution was so fortunate to have a Kathak legend like Chitra Venugopal ji to handle the Kathak classes, especially for a long time with the senior and junior batches. She was so strict in her teaching and methodology, and it was so good that each one of us and all the graduates could learn the intricacies of Kathak, and even today they all practice the techniques of what Chitra Didi taught everyone. She is such a wonderful teacher with love and affection. She is to win the hearts of all the artists. Her teaching was so strict and disciplined that she is to keep up the time, duration and perfection and promotion. This is the great contribution of such a great personality of our country, and we are proud that we are all students of our respected Chitra Venugopal ji. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
Namaste, I am Suparna Venkatesh, disciple of Chitra Didi, not only her disciple but also her, fortunate to have been her classmate during my course of choreography. very fortunate to have been associated with her for so many years. Learned so many things. One main principle that I learned from Didi is, as a teacher, to be a very dedicated teacher. And every time when I'm tired, when I think of not taking class, I think, what would Chitra Didi do? She would never miss a class. She would always be minimum half an hour ahead of the class time and never spare anyone. Very sincerely, she used to teach all of us, and I learned that principle of hers, to be a very dedicated and a sincere teacher. And Chitra Didi never misses an opportunity to appreciate her student. Every time she attends a program of mine or my students, she immediately calls up the next day. She appreciates, she says, Supi, your Natuangam was very good, or your student performed very well. She sends cards, she sends flowers congratulating me, and that has boosted my confidence as a teacher. And every time thinking of Didi is such a positive energy for me. And when people take retirement in their life, Chitra Didi started teaching at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. That is her strength that she shows it to us. And she is instrumental in training so many good students. And in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, she started the diploma course, and she conducted exams regularly, and it became a regular curriculum for the people who are pursuing Kathak. And she is one of the main person in Karnataka to propagate and introduce Kathak along with Maya Didi. So I'm very fortunate and blessed to be a student, Didi, and I pray God for a very long and healthy life, and keep blessing us, keep inspiring us. And thank you, Didi. Thank you, Didi, for making me a part of your life. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Chitra Didi, what a wonderful, first of all, I should say, wonderful human being and wonderful guru I have ever met. My Kathak guru, I always had a wonderful and lovely time at the Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography, learning from Chitra Didi. And I think I was the only one person who never got scolded by Chitra Didi. Very happy, and I guess I'm one of the favorite Chitra Didi student. Always enjoyed her class and her explanation about dance and whatever she used to explain about the dance. It used to be very meaningful and very enjoyable. She used to make us understand very nicely. Many times I personally would not understand nuances of Kathak, and she would she always made me understand, and she taught me. And thank you, Chitra Didi. I can never forget my Kathak classes, and always look forward to come to Kathak class and learn from Chitra Didi. And of course, Maya Didi was teaching me, and most of the time I was under the Chitra Didi only learning Kathak. Thank you, Chitra Didi, forever and ever. I'll be very grateful to you, and you are one of the finest gurus and finest, wonderful and a lovely human being, and a very humble and down-to-earth person I have ever met. Thank you and namaste.
Namaskar, I am Nandini Mehta, a Bharatanatyam and Kathak exponent, also the artistic director of Nadam based in Bangalore. I had the good fortune of learning Kathak from the internationally renowned gurus Maya Didi and Chitra Didi at the Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography, Bangalore. Chitra Didi is an excellent teacher who imparted her knowledge so generously and honed our skills in Kathak. She is an excellent teacher, choreographer and performer, and has contributed immensely to the field of Kathak by promoting and propagating this beautiful art form in India and abroad as a cultural ambassador. Thank you, Chitra Didi, for your constant support and encouragement in all my ventures. You have kindled the spark in me to pursue this beautiful dance form, Kathak. Namaskar.
Namaste. This is Anjana Gupta here, and she's my daughter Shruti Gupta. I'm here to share that I enrolled Shruti Gupta for her Kathak classes under the tutelage of Chitra Didi in the year 2000. And just 3 months after her joining, even I joined the classes with Chitra Didi. And since then, it's been 2 decades and there has been no looking back. I'm very, very thankful to Didi to initiate me on this path of self-discovery. Every step ahead, I met myself, and I know that how much I have grown through these classes and performances. And I'm very thankful to you, Didi, to give me a kavach of saying that come what may, just show up. And I have been there for 20 years, and a lot of qualities like perseverance, dedication, commitment, I've understood the deeper meaning of these terms. And thank you, Didi, so much for initiating us into this world of self-discovery. And never knew that Tathi Theater, which started in the year 2000, would become a mantra of our life today. Thank you so much, Didi.
I'd like to add that although our initiation began with Kathak, Didi opened a world of not just dance and art, but to spirituality, to energy, to higher powers, to perceiving the world in an artistic way. So if you look at a flower or a sunrise, the way we process things around us, things happening inside us, that's what Didi has taught us. And Chitra Didi, we owe it all to you that both of us are dancing together 20 years as a mother-daughter duet, and this has happened only because of you, because of the opportunities that you gave us to take on together as a mother and a daughter. Thank you, Chitra Didi, for everything that we're ever grateful and feel so blessed today.
It has always been my desire to do this kind of documentation on the work of Chitra Didi, and I think especially in Bengal not so many people are aware of the work and the huge contribution. And I thought that this would be my Anjali to my Guru, from whom I've learnt also so many things, and I want to pass it down to my students. A very big thank you to Chitra Didi, who patiently gave us all the answers to the questions that we were looking for, and of course Uncle, Chitra Didi's husband, who's been such a major, played such a major role in this project by filming and giving us the videos, and Devyani, who has laced it and put it in a beautiful garland, and of course my students, without whom I would not be able to do this project. A very big thank you to all. Stay safe, stay happy, and my pranam to Chitra Didi, Uncle, pranam.
Namaskar. It has been an honor and a privilege on my part to be associated with this project on Guru Vidushi Chitra Venugopalji. I sincerely thank my Guruji, Guruji Vidushi Shushmita Banerjee, for giving me this opportunity. I would just like to take a few moments to thank the esteemed personalities we've had on this platform today. First of all, my Guruji, Vidushi Shushmita Banerjee, for conceptualizing and executing this project. Secondly, Madhu Natarajaji, Director of the Natya Stern Dance Company and winner of the 2012 Bismillah Khan Award. Nirupama Ji and Rajendra Ji, Directors of the Abhinava Dance Center for Kathak and Bharatnatyam. Both are winners of the Kalashri Awards. Nirupama Ji is also in the committee of the Sangeet Nritya Academy at present. Sai Venkatesh Ji, Director of Sai Arts International and President of Sahitya Nritya Academy. He is also an expert in stage lighting and design from NIKC. Suparna Venkatesh Ji, Co-Director of Sai International School of Kathak and Bharatnatyam, winner of the Kalashri Award. She also has a doctorate from the Bangalore University. Guru Satya Raju Ji, Director of the Samskruti Dance School of Bharatnatyam and also a student of the Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography. He is also a winner of the Kalashri Award. Nandini Mehta Ji, Director of the Nadam School of Kathak. She has won the Kalashri Award and has also received both the junior and the senior fellowship from the HRD Government of India. A few more credits. Sri Basrur Venugopalaji, videography and dance items and of the videos that we've received from Guru Chitra Venugopalaji. Vikram and Nayan Hattangadi, video editing. Devyani Venugopalji for her assistance in the project and its completion. We thank Madhu Nataraja Ji, Nirupama and Rajendra Ji, Sai and Suparna Venkatesh Ji, Nandini Mehta Ji, and Anjana and Shruti Gupta Ji for their video clippings. Namaskar.